Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dev and you are watching Live Review. So today we'll be doing an unboxing of a mount for LCD and LED TVs. So this here is the Model-P4 full motion cantilever mount. This one fits TVs from 32 inch to 55 inch, also TV, monitor, anything and everything. So let me just go around the box and tell you what the specifications about that. So the load capacity of this is 27 kilos, more than enough. VESA stand, so that is the industry standard. You can mount your VESA stand compatible monitors and TVs with this one. And this is TUV Rhineland certified. So usually they certify all the mobiles and the monitors for your eye protection, and they also certify heavy industrial things. So that is certified. So that's really a good sign. And the company, some German company here. I won't be trying to pronounce that. Anyways, the MRP of this is written as 2,490, but you can buy this for around 1,400 something from Amazon. Put the link down here somewhere. You can check that out. So let's go to the back and see gadget, right? A product logo. We don't want that. The various sizes that can be attached. VESA tilt. You can tilt it, and you have to install it. So that's an easy installation. We'll see. Let's see very soon. This is very heavy. Okay, so right out of the box we get an instruction manual in various languages, tools required, and a very good step-by-step instruction that has been given here. And okay, so we have the screws. Wow, we have very heavy and very long heavy-duty screws here, and the bits. So you need to have a really good drill if you want to do it yourself, otherwise call an electrician. Let's take more screws. Wow, this is heavy. Just an info, if you want to see the installation video of this, please put them in the comment section below. If you want to see that, I plan not to do that, but if you say, then I will do the installation video also. Okay, so heavy duty. Just remove this. Complete metal. So to give you an idea, yeah, this moves quite a lot. So yeah, so you will be attaching it like this to the wall. So we have these 3 screws here, and after that you can, this is one level of articulation 1, this is the second level of articulation 2, and this is the third level of articulation. So you can, there are 3 levels and you can adjust it really nice, but sadly it cannot move up and down. So it's just horizontal, but I don't see any vertical movement in this one. So when you fix it, you have to be very careful to properly fix it in the wall to make sure that it is level with the ground. So build quality is really nice, complete metal build. In between these are plastic, so you might wonder what these are. So these are the wire holders. So here, let's see what else. So we have these. I think this will, yeah, after you mount it, you can just for appearance's sake, you can put this here. It will look nice, yeah, something like this. So quite nice, I would say quite nice. These are not screw compatible, you can just put them into place. Alright, let's see what else is there in the box. We have these plastic bits, we have these bits here, rubber points, and yeah, we have these here, and we have the screws. So you might be wondering what are these. So these are your actual VESA stands. So this will go something like this, or something like this. There are multiple ways of adding this one. It can be either like this, yeah, this lines up, yeah, something like this. So anyways, and this also lines up like this also, yeah. So as I said, there are multiple ways of doing that, and do put them in the comment section if you want to see the installation video of this. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.